Good morning. Go ahead and settle yourself into a nice and comfortable position. Sit upright, aligning the upper body directly over the base of your spine. Lengthening your spine up towards the sky, opening up your chest, and drawing your shoulders back slightly. Rest your hands in your lap, and once you've settled in, gently close your eyes. Now, let's take a couple deep, relaxing breaths. Taking a long inhale through the nose and a long, slow exhale through the mouth, releasing all tension and stress, enlivening your body and your mind. So taking a long, deep inhale and a slow, gentle exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, allow your breath to settle. Let go of any control of the breath, allowing yourself to breathe naturally and effortlessly. And as you rest here, relaxing deep into your space, visualize yourself walking barefoot on a beautiful beach. It is early in the morning, and the white sand is still cool from the night, but slowly becoming warmer. You can see the sun gently rising out of the water, illuminating the sky with bright yellow hues. And just listen to the waves roll in from the sea and break onto the white sand, sparkling and foaming about your feet. Feel the warm and wet sand between your toes. You take in a deep breath in and you smell the salt water. Feel the soft breeze from the sea on your skin, refreshing your body. You hear tropical birds sing in the nearby distance. And to your left, there's a large rock. Slowly walk to it and take a seat here. You close your eyes. You feel a wonderful sense of peace and relaxation wash over your body. You feel tranquility in the present moment, a feeling of being connected to all life. And as you stay here, immersed in this sense of inner peace, take a moment to identify your good qualities. What do you like about yourself? Be as bold as you can and come up with many good qualities about yourself, whether they are big, great qualities or very simple ones. Now, take a moment to list the reasons that you feel others are drawn to you, whether that's family, friends, or whoever you may be close to. Bring to mind the qualities that they appreciate about you. And just take in all the reasons these people believe in you and the reasons you believe in yourself. Allow all the traits you have brought to mind to grow within you and become even stronger. Focus on these qualities today and allow them to shine as you move about your task with great positivity. And as this practice comes to an end, gently begin to come back to your surroundings. Notice any sounds around you. Notice the clothing on your skin. Give your body a gentle stretch. And when you are ready, open your eyes.